Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 34 for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Django with ReactJs. So in this video, we will work on the category list. We will fetch the data from the server with the in our category layout, right? So this is our home page, and this home page is not working because on the home page we have set up. Let me show you. So on the home page we are fetching the single product, and in the single product now we are passing the data, right? But on the home page we are not passing the data, so that it is showing the it is not showing anything. Okay, so we can set this home page, but we have to pass some demo data. So let's set this home page first, then we will go to our we will see the category page. Okay, so source, components and home, right? So currently we are passing here, if we see in the single product, then we are passing the props dot product, right? So what I will do, I will create here constant products, right? And then in the product it will be array, and in the array we have list. So the first one is title, so let's say product 1, and then we have a price, so let's say 100, right? And then we have comma, and then let's 2 3 4, right? So 2 3 4, so 2 3 and 4, right? And then we will pass the iteration. So what I will do, I will just copy this one, right? And then I will do this copy on the home page, I will make it here. So products dot product map, and we are passing the product in the single. So if I see now here on the home page, here you can see that, right? So now we have product 1, product 2, and everything is working now. Okay, so this is just for demo, because on the home page we have to show the latest product, latest 4 products. Okay, so we will do that later, but first of all let's create the full layouts. Okay, so we have worked on the view all products, this is working, and this is pagination is also working, right? Now we will also need to modify the pagination. If no data is coming, then we have to hide this or do something, we will add the conditions. But I'm just want to do with the basic, and then we will gradually we will go to advanced. So let's start with the categories. So we have already created the categories API. So if I go to backend, okay, so let's go to backend, and I have started both the things. Django is also running, and the React is also. Okay, so main, and let's go for the URLs. Okay, so now here you can see that categories. Okay, so this category means everything is fetching here, that the category is fetching here. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy, now I will open the category products, right? In the category products I will copy few things, like we can copy this base URL, right? This is product, this is total result, so I will copy this, and actually let's copy this all. Okay, so copy this category products, paste here, base URL we need to show as a categories, so we will say set categories, right? Total result will be same, fetch data it will be categories, not products, right? And everything else will be same, right? So this is actually we are doing at the wrong place. This is category products, not categories. This one is categories, right? So this will be same. Let's close this, and we'll copy this and paste it here, right? So now everything is okay. We need to change this categories and set categories, okay, and then we have here categories, right, and then we have categories, right. So we can also create this single component and pass the data, but let's make it as it is. And what I will do, I will use the map functionality. So let's copy this, right, and then paste it here, right. So it will be we need this one only, right. So I will remove all of the above, all of the below here, okay. So let's remove this. We just need to keep this thing in here, right. So this will be like this, right. So this one, okay. So product downloads, we will do that later, but let's make this, and this will be categories, and this is category, okay, and then this will be the name, I think the title. Let's see what's the column name. So I will open the models.py, product category, it's a title, right. So category is title. Let's make this title in the alt also, image alt, okay, and currently the image will be same. And then we have this one, this thing, right. So what I will do here, I will pass here, then we have, okay, so this will be category slash, and then I will use here category title. Let's use this category title, right, and then slash, I will use this category ID, right. So what I will do here, copy this and paste it here, the category ID, right. So let's see here, okay, use state is undefined. This is correct because we have not import this single product. We don't need this single product, we just need use state, use effect. So set products is not defined, so we need to this set categories, right. Everything else is okay. Yep. So this is showing the Python. So let's see what we have in the category, API slash categories, okay. So this is total result 2, but we have set the global pagination so that it is showing only single result, okay. So now let's set the pagination also, right. So what I will do for the pagination, let's copy this, okay, and paste here. Okay, one more thing, in the previous video we have created these links, but we have to also set the limit, right. So what it will do, where limit equal to, currently limit is 1, okay. I mean limit means how many data you want to show on the pages, right. So it means total links equal to total result divided by limit, right. So total result, whatever the total result, how many data you want to show, that will be our total links, right. So this total links will be here. So it will also apply on the products, right. So here, now let's make these links working here, right. So here you can see that we have two things, this is all right. So this is showing different thing, we have to show this categories, right, categories, right. So this is Python e-commerce website, this is Python, oh, timer script, what it is, category title, we are showing the category title, oh, this should be here, right. So now it will be okay. So Python PHP, right, And if I go to home page, if I go to all products, then here you can see that this is also showing the same thing. I just want to make sure that we have applied the limit thing, and it will not affect the functionality, right? So we have applied the categories, and we have applied the pagination. We are fetching the category, and we are applied the pagination here also. Okay, so in the next step, in the next video, we will work on the detail page, right? We will work on the we will create actually two things, product list according to category, then we will work on the product detail page, right? And yep, that is the thing. And let's say if total links, yeah, this is fine, this is okay. We will modify this. I will add condition. We will gradually, modify the things accordingly. Okay, so I hope you understand all the things. If you have any query, any doubt, then please ask in the comment section. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel, like this video, share this video. And if you have any project ideas, then please share with in the comment section. Okay, and thank you so much. Please support, please join this channel, right? And if you need the source code of this project, then please join the membership of this channel. Okay, and you can also download the practice project from the projectsplaza.com, right? So here the Django projects, I have uploaded so many Django projects, so you can download. Okay, and you can do your practice. So this is also big support for me, right? So thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.